Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Again, good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, so let me introduce myself. So I am Rika Dervas and I am your teacher for today's lesson. So today we're going to discuss about augmented and virtual reality in elementary teaching. So technology has become a necessary element of in the modern world as more educational facilities adapt digital technology such as interactive whiteboards, class blocks, and game-based teaching. So as the technology advances, so does the way we teach our students. So in the near future, we expect that most of our classrooms might or will adapt technology that will simulate object and environment that will help the children to learn. So now we're going to define what is augmented reality and virtual reality. So let's discuss about augmented reality. So everybody please read.
This refers to technology combines computer-generated elements with the real world, enhancing users' perception and interaction with their environment.
Okay, so thank you. So augmented reality says here that it refers to the technology combines computer-generated elements with the real world, enhancing users' perception and interaction with their environment. So augmented reality or AR overlays digital content such as image, videos, and models into the real world view. So usually through the use of devices such as smartphones, tablets, and also smart glasses. So AR works by utilizing the user's device's cameras and sensors to capture the real world scenarios and also lay virtual information in time. So the virtual element appear as if they are really integrated into the user's physical surroundings, enhancing the perception of the real world rather than replacing it. So did you understand about augmented reality? So I have here an example of augmented reality. As you can see here, the user uses an app. The user uses a printed picture and where the app scans So that's all about for the augmented reality. So did you understand about augmented reality? So now let's define what is virtual reality. So everyone please read.
This refers to a computer-generated simulation or environment that can be interacted with by a person through specialized devices such as headsets and controllers.
In daily use. So virtual reality says here that this refers to to a computer-generated simulation of environment that can be interacted with by a person through specialized devices such as headset and controllers. So, virtual reality aims to provide an immersive experience that by simulating the user senses, primarily sight and sound, to create a realistic and interactive virtual world. So it has application in various fields, including in gaming, education, training, healthcare, and in also entertainment. So users can explore and interact with the virtual world that simulate real world scenarios or entirely fictional worlds. So by wearing, here's the devices. Here's the devices that the virtual reality uses the headset and the controller. So by wearing the VR headset, the user is visually transported into that virtual world that can simulate real-world environment, fictional setting, and abstract spaces. So the headset tracks the user's head movement and adjust the visuals accordingly. So providing a sense of presence and making the virtual environment appear as if it surrounds the user. Here's an example of a virtual reality. As you can see here, the user uses headset and controller. The user is visually transported into that virtual world. That's all for virtual reality. So did you understand about augmented and virtual reality?
Yes, ma'am.
So now what's the main difference between the two? Anyone? Yeah? Yes, Miss Freya.
The 2.0 augmented reality uses tablets and devices like smartphones and tablets. While yung sa virtual reality naman, yung student or the individual, parang first-hand experience niya virtual. Kaya may niya headphone na isusuot then controller to control the surrounding ng virtual world na yun.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Kaya. To add more, also, in the virtual reality, it aims to replace the real world, while in the augmented reality, it respectfully supplements only the virtual world. Now, what's the similarities between the two? Yes, Miss.
Both uses gadget or technology.
Yes, thank you. So, and also, the augmented and the virtual reality also uses hardware technologies that share a lot of factors like computer generated, virtual scene, and also 3D objects and interactive. Did you understand now?
Yes.
Okay, so augmented reality are two immersive technologies that are quickly gaining inside the classroom because these two immersive technologies offers a variety of benefits to both teachers and the students. So, what do we mean when we say immersive technology? So, when we say immersive technology, everyone please agree.
It allows users to engage with a digital environment in a way that feels natural and intuitive.
Immersive technology allows the users to engage with a digital environment in a way that feels natural and intuitive. So, for example, in a virtual reality, it creates a simulated world that the user can explore through the use of their own body movements, while in the augmented reality, on the other hand, it overlays digital information into the real world, allowing the users to interact with both physical and digital. Furthermore, mixed reality takes this one step further by seamlessly blending the virtual and the physical world. So blurring the line between what's real and what's not. Okay, do you understand? How can immersive technologies enhance learning inside the classroom? So, you may be surprised that these two immersive technologies provide more than just an entertainment, but also a way that can help the students to learn better by stimulating all the senses. So, here are some potential applications of augmented and virtual reality in the elementary education. Please read the first one.
More realistic and hands-on approaches to learning.
So more realistic and hands-on approaches to learning. So students can use virtual reality headset to take it to the virtual field trips or simulation of experiments. So this allows them to see and experience things firsthand, which can be much more engaging and memorable than simply reading about them in a textbook. So the second
Increase interactivity and collaboration.
so AR and VR allows the students to collaborate on the project and games, so bringing out their creativity and problem solving skills. So technology has transformed the education landscape. So classrooms are no longer limited to the four walls and the blackboard. So with the augmented reality, students can now explore distant lands and marvel on distinct creatures all from the comfort of their schools. And the last is
Customizable learning experiences.
customizable learning experiences. Why? Because one of the key advantage of the AR and the VR technology is that their ability to offer a customizable learning experience that tailor the individual's needs. So these technologies can provide learners with personalized feedback, enabling them to identify their strengths and weaknesses and also adjust their learning strategies accordingly. So moreover, VR and AR technologies can provide learners with a self-paced learning experiences, allowing them to learn at their own pace and focus on their areas that they find also challenging. So this approach can also improve the learner's engagement and retention to the materials, making the learning more effective and efficient. Now let's proceed with the impact of immersive technologies on student engagement and understanding. So everyone please read.
VR and AR can make learning more engaging. VR and AR can provide a more immersive learning experience, and VR and AR can help with different learning styles.
First one is the VR and AR can make learning more engaging. So with the VR and AR, the students can be transported into the different worlds where they can actively involve into the learning process. As a result, they are more likely to engage and pay attention and pay also retain more what they have learned. The second is the VR and AR can also provide a more immersive learning experience. So students who use VR and AR can get a first-hand look at historical events that can gain a deeper understanding of the abstract concepts. So for example, students could listen to mga ancient rules and also through the use of the VR or experiment with the different chemical reactions in an augmented reality. So by providing a more immersive learning experience, VR and AR can help the students to understand the complex ideas learned. So the third is VR and AR can help with the different learning styles. So some students are visual learners, some are auditory, and some are kinesthetic learners. So the traditional classrooms often favor one type of learning over another. So however, in the VR and AR, many learners can benefit from the technology. So for instance, in the visual learners, so learners can learn by seeing simulations. Also, while in the auditory learners, they can listen to audio recordings of lectures. While the kinesthetic learners, meanwhile, they can interact directly into the virtual object. So as a result, VR and AR can help all the students to succeed inside the room. The fourth is that VR and AR can promote collaboration. Why? Because in traditional classrooms, students often work independently into their assignments. So, however, in the VR and AR, students can work on the virtual projects and work with each other in some educational ways. So, as a result, they learn how to cooperate and communicate with their classmates, skills that can also be essential in the workplace. And the last is that the VR and AR can prepare students for the future. So, as our world become increasingly digitalized, in order to succeed in this digital age, it is essential for the students to become comfortable with the technology. So, by exposure to the VR and AR in the classroom, students will become more familiar with the innovative technologies that will be more commonplace in the future. So, in conclusion, VR, virtual reality, and AR, augmented reality technologies have the potential to transform education, providing the learners with immersive and interactive learning experiences that promote a deeper learning and so as these technologies continue